Good morning, Teacher Lani.
How are you this morning?
We're fine, teacher.
That's good to hear. Now, before we start, let's sing a song entitled I Love Math with a tune of Are You Sleeping?
Math, I love math. I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math. I love math. I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math. I love math. I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math.
Class, I have here different objects. I am going to call 3 pupils among you to answer my questions. Am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now Renalu, I have here 1 donut. If I add one another donut, how many are all?
2 donuts, teacher.
Very good. Ruchel, I give you 2 candies and 2 candies for Nathan. How many candies in all?
4 candies, teacher.
Very good. Jerry, in my left hand, I am holding 1 chalk and 2 chalks in my right hand. How many chalks in all?
3 chalks, teacher.
Very good, class. Now, class, I will show you a picture. All you have to do is identify what are the colors of balloons and count how many are there. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
What colors did you see?
We saw red, purple, green, yellow, and pink, teacher.
Excellent. Jenny, how many red, pink, and purple balloons?
There are 2 red balloons, 1 pink balloon, and 1 purple balloon, teacher.
Very good. Maya, how many yellow, green, and blue balloons?
There are 2 yellow balloons, 2 green balloons, and 2 blue balloons, teacher.
Okay. And now, Mark, can you count how many balloons are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balloons in the picture presented, teacher.
Very good. And now, let's sing a song entitled Flowers All Around. Do you know that song?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. Flowers that are growing in the grass. Flowers of every color, they are so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Very good. Class, do you have garden in your house?
Yes, teacher.
What is your garden in your house?
Flowers garden, teacher.
Wow! What is your favorite flowers in your garden, class?
Yellow, bell, and red gumamela, teacher.
Very good. Why do you need to water flowers every day?
Flowers need to be watered every day so that they will maintain the beauty and be healthier.
Yes, that's true. At this point, we are going to have a story activity. I am going to share a story. And all you have to do is to answer my question. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
But before that, What be a good student do when a teacher is talking in front?
Listen carefully, behave, and always participate, teacher.
Very good. So, me and my friends decided to have picnic in the beautiful garden. When we got there, we saw one rose and one tulip. We want to add this, but we don't know how. Can you help us?
Yes, teacher.
Great. So, there are one rose, and one tulip. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How many flowers are there in all?
There are 2 flowers in the garden, teacher.
Thank you. Now, let's continue the story. Each of us pick one flower. And then, the butterflies came out. We saw 2 butterflies, 2 violet butterflies, plus 2 pink butterflies. How many butterflies are on?
There are 4 butterflies, teacher.
Thank you, everyone. You are all the best.
Now class, let us all sing Flowers is All Around. Flowers that are growing, growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Class, do you have a garden in your house? Yes, teacher. What kind of garden do you have in your house, class? Flower garden, teacher. Wow, what is your favorite flowers that you have in your garden, class? Yellow bell and red gumamela, teacher. Why do we need to water flowers every day? Flowers need to be watered every so that they will maintain the beauty that they have and be healthy. Yes, that's true. At this point, we were going to have a story activity. I am going to share a story and all you have to do is to answer every question that I ask. Understood, class? Yes, teacher. But before that, what would a good student to do when the teacher is talking in front? Yes, teacher. Listen carefully. We have and always participate, teacher. Very good. So, me and my friends decided to have a picnic in the beautiful garden. When we got there, we saw one rose and one tulip. We want to add this, but we don't know how. How can you help? Can you help us? Yes, teacher. Great. So there are one rose and one tulip. How many flowers are all? There are 2 flowers in the garden, teacher. Thank you. Now, let's continue the story. Each of us picked one flower and the butterflies came out. We saw 2 violet butterflies and 2 pink butterflies. Can you help us to add this? Yes, teacher. There are 2 violet butterflies and 2 pink butterflies flying in the garden. How many butterflies are all? 4. Thank you, everyone. You are all the best. Now, class, what kind of flower mentioned in the story? Rose and tulip, teacher. How many roses in the garden, class? 1, teacher. How about the tulip? 1, teacher. If we compare 1 rose and 1 tulip, how many flowers all in all? 2, teacher. How about the butterflies, class? How many butterflies flying in the garden? 2, teacher. How about the violet butterflies? 2, teacher. Now, If we join 2 pink butterflies and 2 violet butterflies, how many butterflies flying in the garden? 4, teacher. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Now, class, we're going to have a game, and this called a cabbage game. Do you familiar with this game, class?
Yes, teacher!
Great! So all you have to do is to pass this cabbage while singing the Leron Leron Sinta and till the song stop. However, show the cabbage will flip the cabbage and answer to solve the given problems. Am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher!
Jillian, flip the cabbage. Leron Leron Sinta, buo ng papaya. Dalay buslot, sisigap ang bunga. So, what's the answer, Jillian?
5!
Excellent, Jillian. The answer is 5. So, again, leron leron sinta, buko ng papaya. What's the answer, Janela?
8!
Excellent! Zia Crizel, flip the cabbage! Leron, leron, sinta, buko ng papaya! What's the answer, Zia Crizel?
8!
Excellent! The correct answer is 8! Very good, class! Now, give yourself a power claps for a job well done. 1, 2, 3. Pew! 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 Again. 1, 2, 3. Pew! 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 Okay. And now, class, I will divide you into 2 groups. Each group will choose one representative to add and solve the whole numbers problem without a groupings and a board. The group who got the highest score will get the higher points. I will give you a 5 seconds to answer. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, let's start. Okay, times is up. The first group who got the correct answer is Group 2. Group 2, everybody read your answer. What's the answer here?
11!
Very good. The correct answer is 11. Okay, times is up. The correct answer is 6. Yeah. Group 1 got the correct answer. Group 1, everybody read your answer.
6!
Okay, the correct answer is 6. Last one. Okay, times is up. The correct answer is
9!
The correct answer is 9. Group 2, everybody read your answer.
9!
Very good. The correct answer is 9. So, Group 2 got the highest score. Very good, everyone. So, let's give them the AJ clap. The Group 2. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How to add the whole numbers, everyone?
Sir!
Okay, yes, Annie Marie.
We count the number and join together, teacher!
Excellent, Annie Marie. So, we have here an assignment. Direction. It's the letter of the correct answer. So, class, this is assignment. This is going to do is to add the number